Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Tech GOAT, and for this video I'm going to take you through the beginner's guide in C++. Okay, so it is in this particular video we'll be talking about how to install your IDEs on your computer. So I actually prefer using code blocks. Okay, so we have Visual Studio Code, we have PyCharm. You can use it by installing some plugins before you can just get a C++. And for code blocks is what was mainly made for C++. Okay, C and C++. So I prefer using code blocks, like just get something simple, and it's very simple, user friendly, and it is very easy to use. Okay, so for the Visual Studio Code users, you can just get a setup on Visual Studio Code and the sites, then install this one to main GW installer. But for the code blocks, it's actually has the main GW already attached to it.
Nice.
So no need to install the main GW again. So it makes it very easy and simple. But for the main GW, this one is an online installer, so it will use data then to be downloading some files. I think mine feel like a lot of time.
What the fuck?
For installing it, I've actually made my own. I've set up my Visual Studio Code environment. Everything's perfect. So for the Visual Studio Code, you have to install extension because the VS Code is actually used to program many languages. Okay, Ruby, we have Python, we have C++, C, HTML, Java, many more. Okay, so it's kind of good to use it. All right, but you see, if you I recommend using the code blocks. Okay, so I'm not pushing you to install the code blocks. You can just use your Visual Studio Code, but if you feel like using code blocks, okay, it's fine. Okay, so let me take you through how to install the code blocks. So programming in C++, you need the main GW. Without it you can't use it. So okay, so just put it in mind. So let's check for code blocks. Let's go to the site and let's install. So here is it. So let's open downloads. Click on downloads. Okay, then go to download the binary release. Okay, so if you're done with this one, go down, scroll down, you see Windows XP, Vista, and you can check out for the Mac OS users. Okay, but and also Linux users too is here. So if you are a Mac OS user, select this one. If you're a Windows user, Linux user, you see the options there. Okay, so let's go here. So pay attention. Okay, so install this particular one. Okay, with the main GW. Okay, so the main GW is attached to it already, the setup. So to just install it with the setup, then everything will be okay. No need to stress yourself, then everything will be perfect, simple, like you see. Yeah, so let's go to source for. Please put it in mind, this one. Okay, this one I selected. I think this is the version 20.03 is the latest one. So let's click on SourceForge. Take us to SourceForge so I can download it very easily. So we are going to SourceForge to download it. So yeah, it's very simple to download. Just wait for that 5 seconds, then to just bring it up to download. Okay, and I already have it, so I'll not download it again. Let me click on cancel. Let's get this one. So we are on the desktop. I already have the file, the code blocks file here with the main GW. Okay, so let's open it and click on yes. Okay, so we're in it. Just click on next, tap on I agree. Okay, and then you see the main GW is part, the main GW compiler compiler suite. Okay, so it's parts and everything is perfect. So make sure to tick all this stuff. If it's not tick, just tick it. Okay, yeah, so just click on next. Okay, then the file directory down to this is the default place. Just click on install, then so click on yes. Okay, I've already opened it here. Let me quit it. Let me quit it. Okay, let's retry again. Okay, so before this, let's talk about C++. Okay, so with this tutorial, we'll be talking about all kind of topics like control statements, object classes, inheritance, constructor, this destructor. We have polymorphism, we have abstraction, we have abstract classes, you have interface, you have namespace, you have um, encapsulation, arrays, strings, exception, and many more. Okay, so what is C++? C++ is a general purpose, case sensitive, free form programming language that supports object oriented procedure. Okay, so and generic program. So we also have C++ is a level language as it encapsulates both high and low level language features. Okay, so you have something called OOPS, OOPS. Okay, so the C++ supports object oriented programming, and we have the form pillar of object oriented programming, the OOPS, used in C++, and which is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Okay, so we also have the C++ standard libraries. Okay, so we have the core library includes the data types, visual, variable, and literals, and also we have the standard library which includes the set of functions, manipulating strings and files, and many more. Okay, you also have the standard template library STL, known as the STL. Okay, so it includes the set of methods manipulating a data structure. Okay, so what is C++ used for, if you ask me? So used for making Windows application, like a whole lot of stuff. Okay, for making device drivers, embedded firmwares, client server applications, and many more. Okay, so let's wait for this to finish installing. I think for the meantime, we just make our first hello world program, then we just wait for the next tutorial. Then now we'll be talking about some basic stuff that I need to know in C++. Okay, so click on yes and finish. Okay, then let's open it. All right, so let's go to this. Okay, so we are inside. We are inside this. We are inside this. Um, click here to create a new project. Okay, so you can make you can make many stuff with C++. So but the one we need now is console application. Okay, you see down you have many stuff, many stuff that you can build with C++. So go to console application and click on go, and then select C++. Okay, so you tap on next, and then here let's make it. You can make it my name. Okay. If you like any name you want. Okay, any name. Click on next. Okay, then over. Okay, so I think this is the default settings that so just click on finish. You like no need to change anything there. There's no need. Okay, so we are done creating our workspace. As you see, the workspace tag goes. Okay, so you come here, just open this main cpp. So here's our first program that I'll be talking about, the hello world. So don't just worry about this this stuff. Don't worry about this one. Okay, just don't worry about it. So we have the hello world. Okay, so let's talk about this one. So this one will just actually display whatever you place in the quotation marks, okay, to the screen. Okay, so if you want to run this program, just click here to run it. But guys, don't worry, in our next tutorial we'll be talking about some basic stuff that you need to know. Okay, then you'll be going forward and further, so just relax. Let's just talk about some few stuff here. This video was just meant for how to install the IDE. So if you're done with this one, just check out my next tutorial. I'll be talking about more stuff. Okay, so let's run this program, then let's run our first hello world program. If we click here, hello world. So just know that this code is for displaying like whatever you place in the quotation mark into the screen. So for the meantime, let's put that in mind. So just check out my next tutorial on the basic stuff we need to know. We have many stuff we talk about. Okay, so just check out my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. sorry, and like my channel, and also share this video to your friends. Share it as many as you can, so that I can reach out more people then to motivate me to make more videos. Okay, so just like my video, share, and have a nice day.